In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a shared folder in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google Drive account. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the left sidebar and click My Drive. Next, click the New button in the upper left corner. Select New Folder, enter a name for your destination folder, and then click Create. After creating the folder, go to the left sidebar and click Shared with Me. This will display the files and folders that have been shared with your account. Find the shared folder you want to copy and double-click it to open it. Now select all items inside the folder. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and A together. If you're using a Mac, press Command and A together. This will highlight everything in the folder. With all files selected, copy them to your clipboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and C together. On a Mac, press Command and C together. Next, return to the folder you created earlier in My Drive. Double-click the destination folder to open it. Once you're inside the folder, paste the copied files. On Windows, press Ctrl and V together. On a Mac, press Command and V together. Google Drive will create copies of the selected files and place them in your personal folder. Depending on the number of files, this may take a few moments to complete. After the copy process finishes, you'll notice that the copied files may include the word copy in their names. If needed, you can rename each file individually to match your preferred naming convention. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.